Hello viewers, this is Samir. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to transfer learners on the EMIS Web Portal. So let's open our browser. You type in EMIS, type in EMIS, click on this website link, EMIS website link. It will take us where we have to log in into our EMIS account. So we shall click EMIS login, then you provide the login details, then you sign in. So after signing in, you go to learners, click on this arrow here to see more information. You go to transfer learners, it's down here, click on transfer learners. I have a learner who was in another school. Now she has come back to this school, the current school where she's now studying, and I need to transfer her from the other school to the current school. So I have her link, she provided her link. So what is required here is only the link of the learner and the name of the parent for me to complete the transfer. So we have incoming learner and outgoing learner. So you click in the incoming learner, then you come up here, you choose transfer learner. It is there. So here we have the steps. First of all, we enter the name and click proceed. So I'm going to type in the name of the learner. The name of the learner is you. So that's the name of the learner. Please make sure you type the way it is. Do not copy. If it is 0, use a 0. If it is O, use O. If it is A, use A. Don't use a O for 0. No. Then you click proceed. So when you click proceed, it will bring the details of the learner, the current school, which is that, and that is the learner's name, and she's the one. I can prove that because I have the information here. So make sure you transfer the right learner onto your school. Check all the details. So the current school that's where she was studying from. I have to bring her back to this school. So I will select the class. She's now in senior 3. I have to select the reason for transfer. You have to select the reason for transfer. What's the reason why they is transferring the learner? Maybe it is school fees issues. You click parents relationship. We have that. Then you provide the name of the name of the parent. I have the name of the parent. After you type in the telephone number, you have to provide even the telephone number that was used when they were registering the learner. So make sure you type the correct information. So make sure you type the correct information. Type the correct information. So we can verify here. Verify. Yes. That is the parent, which is on the form here. So now I can make a transfer. We click on transfer. So I click on transfer. You have to wait until the transfer process is complete. You have to be patient until the transfer is complete. Okay, so here I've completed the transfer of this learner from this school. You can see now under incoming learner we have one, which is this one, and the class is now in senior 3. Former school is that, so the reason is school fees, and the transfer date is that. So let me open this learner and I get more information whether she is currently in this school, Faith High School. So you tap the learner and you come down here to personal information. So you can see the former school is that, which is Royal College that, and now she's at Faith High School as per 14th March 2023, and that's where she is now here. So I'm done completing a transfer from another school to the current school. Just keep on following the steps. You transfer all the learners that you have received into your school. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.